Welcome to Lily and Heidi channel, where you can learn English with stories and shadowing. Lily and Heidi is an English learning channel for your whole family. Whether you're a child, a beginner, or an adult looking to practice daily listening and speaking, you're in the right place. Here you'll find fun and engaging English stories, easy to follow bilingual stories, simple STEM in English, and especially shadowing practice to boost your pronunciation and confidence. Each video is a light, joyful journey to help you speak English naturally. Join us for fresh videos every week. Subscribe and stay inspired. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.